This is Pioneer's DEH-S31BT. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM CD receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The DEH-S31BT's Bluetooth system is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. The DEH-S31BT works with Pioneer's Smart Sync app when using a compatible Android phone. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your Android phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, we'll pop this open. And the first thing we see here is the wire harness. Now we use the wire harness here to connect all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle, like power and ground and speakers and those sorts of connections. Next up we have some install screws and some 1-DIN radio removal tools. Next up is the Bluetooth microphone included with the product. Now the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation for that microphone. And let's open up this flap. And here we go. Here is the quick start guide. There's the quick start guide. And here is the warranty card. All right, let's get the in-dash receiver up out of there. There we go. The front panel of the DEH-S31BT has a large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. Use this button to start your favorite navigation app on your compatible Android phone for turn-by-turn instruction through Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The CD slot is across the top. Radio station presets are across the bottom. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the DEH-S31BT, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The electrical wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The DEH-S31BT has a built-in amplifier that will power up to 4 speakers. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver for making hands-free phone calls. The one on the bottom is used for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here is one pair of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as the rear output or subwoofer output. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S31BT and what's in the box.